Okay, so the reason why the Mustang is leaving to XL Motorworks is because we found, when we looked it up, put it on the list, we found out the floor pan was bashed in, which means we had to remove that. But the insurance company wants us to remove the motor and remove the oil pan because the oil pan got a dent in it. So in order for us to get that supplement approved, they want us to remove the motor and pull the oil pan off. So that's what Alan over there at XL Motorworks is doing for us. So that's why you just seen the car leaving on X21 tow truck. He's going to go ahead and take care of the oil pan, new seal, put it back together, put the motor back in, get it ready to come back to us, and then we're going to get the trunk pan out and take pictures of that, send that up to the insurance. But at first we got to get the new trunk pan in so we can measure everything up, make sure we cut it correctly and remove it correctly, so we don't have any worries about that. So yeah, that's what we're waiting on. All right, so we're here with the Mustang. Nick's Mustang brought it to XL Motorworks so Alan can pull the motor out and drop the oil pan. We have to take pictures of the oil pan and the motor out of the vehicle and then send a supplement to the insurance company. So I'm going to introduce you guys to Alan. But you're over there.
I was like, how does it gonna work out? Are you like a mile away?
Is it my take now?
Yep.
My name is Alan here at XL Motorworks. What we're going to do today is we're going to remove the motor out of this 2017 Mustang GT in order to gain access to pull the oil pan off that was dented in an accident that recently happened with my boy Nick. Luckily, no injuries were involved with this accident. He's okay. Everything is just fine. So what we're going to do today is pull the motor out of the car in order to gain access to the oil pan, in order to get it all pulled off and get it all assessed from insurance.